Republican Senator Rob Portman spent much of his weekly media call this morning on that topic. He says that precedent on picking and voting on a new nominee couldn't be clearer. Even with 42 days to the election, he says it must be done.
I think it's always going to be contentious. I don't think there's going to be a Supreme Court nomination in our lifetimes. It won't be contentious. That seems to be the rule now. It didn't used to be the rule, by the way. But, you know, the Senate majority was reelected in 2016 and 2018. The people spoke, and now it's our job to follow the constitutional rule, which is the president confirms, which every single president has. You know, there have been more than 24 vacancies on the Supreme Court during a presidential election year, and every time the sitting president has made a nomination, in every single case.
Last Justice Brett Kavanaugh took more than 80 days to confirm. Well, Ohio Senator Sherrod Brown also weighing in. 2016, he went on record saying senators should consider Merrick Garland 9 months before the presidential election. Today, he says things are different, 42 days before Election Day, and also believes the president's pick could create dire consequences.
I can't imagine that Donald Trump will pick anybody that is not already on the record as overturning Roe v. Wade, is not already on the record, or Trump is certain that they will take away the Affordable Care Act. 900,000 people in Ohio have insurance because of the Affordable Care Act. 900,000. 600,000 are part of expanded Medicaid, which John Kasich and I and others did. The death of one person and the replacement could make the difference in President Trump getting to repeal that law, and a whole lot of people are going to get hurt.
He says that he would be happy to meet and speak with the nominee once that person is named.